Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I welcome you all to the online English class. So, students, today we are going to learn how to write the letters M, N, O, P, Q, and R. So, let us begin. Alright, students. Now you can see the letters written over here. So we will start by recognizing all the letters. Alright. Capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R and small r. Now we will start with the letter small cursive M. So students, small cursive M is based on the pattern this. We just have to repeat the pattern 2 times and then form a tail. First we'll repeat the pattern and then form a tail facing upwards. So students, M is again a stomach letter. It is written between the 2 blue lines like this. Now the next letter is small cursive N. So students, N is again based on the pattern like M. Here we just have to repeat the pattern only for once. Only once we will write the pattern and the N is done. Like this. Like M, N will also end with a small tail facing upwards like this. Now the next is O. Small cursive O is based on the pattern C. Then we will join it and form a tail like this upwards. First we'll draw the pattern of C, we'll join it into a circle and then a pattern upwards like a tail. First C, then we will form a circle, then we will form a tail over there. This is small cursive O. See here, like this. Now the next is small cursive P. So students, if you see, small cursive P is like small cursive N. It is based on the same pattern. First we will draw a slanting line, a standing line extending till 4th red line like the bottom red line and a pattern like N forming a tail. This is how we will end writing small cursive P. First a slanting line between the 2 blue lines, then a standing line extended till bottom red line and a curved line forming a tail like this. Now the next is small cursive Q. So students, small cursive Q is based on the pattern of C, small cursive C. So first we'll draw a small cursive C, then extend a standing or slanting line maybe till the bottom red line, then a slanting line upwards towards the the bottom blue line and then a tail like this. So students, Q is a little complex letter, so I will suggest you to practice it many more times before you do it finally in your classwork copies. Please see to the formations very carefully, students, like this. Now the next is small cursive R. Now students, small cursive R is not based on any particular pattern. So we have to practice it over and over again. Then only we'll be able to write it. It is also written between two blue lines. So first we will draw a curved line. Then a curved line upwards. And the one more curved line opposite to it. Like an inverted C first, then a curve towards upward, and then a straight C like this. Curved line, then a curved line above, and then a curved line opposite like this. So students, you will practice them all at home. Thank you. This is all for the day. Keep practicing, keep learning, stay safe and stay at home. Goodbye.